welcome to my channel, All Things Yazz. If you haven't been here before, hi, I'm Yazz. I create videos both on fashion and beauty. Today's video is all about my holiday essentials. These are the things that I instantly chuck in my suitcase when going on a holiday. So please stay and watch this video. Like, comment and subscribe. It honestly means the world to me, and don't forget to ring that bell. And let's get to it. Hope you enjoy the video. So as you heard in the intro, this video is all about my holiday essentials. These are things that I instantly throw in my suitcase before anything else. And I'm going to Portugal today, so I thought what better time to show you my holiday essentials. I'm literally leaving later on to go for a week away with my family, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm literally packing right now, so I thought I might as well walk you through the things that I've just chucked into my suitcase. That I always pack, and these are just staples. These are very much basic pieces, some bits of jewellery, a bit of accessories, my bags and my shoes that I will be taking from my holiday to Portugal. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start with some makeup. The first thing that I put in my makeup bag is this tinted moisturiser from Laura Mercier, and I'll get a bit closer so you guys can see it. And it's the illuminating one. This gives you such a nice healthy glow. It's so pretty, it makes you look so sun-kissed as well, with a nice little shimmer on when you're on holiday. It's just perfect. And again, heading on that lines is this beautiful Bobbi Brown one, and this is called Opal Glow. And again, it is, honestly, you should see inside, it's so pretty. And this is just the most perfect highlight to really get that really pretty glow when you're on holiday. So that's another one that just goes straight in my makeup bag. Another thing is from Charlotte Tilbury, and these are the Eyes to Mesmerise, and it's actually what I've got on now. I've just put it on the eyelid, and it's called Jean, and it's just this really nice pinky colour, like eyeshadow. Just put this on your eye, and it just makes it look so pretty. Very glowy. I like quite a natural look. That's just me. I like my face to look quite natural, especially in the summer, and I don't like to put too much on. So I'll generally just go for a tinted moisturiser, you know, a bit of blush, highlight to make yourself look nice and glowy, and then just a bit with the eyes. That's pretty much it. Oh, but don't forget your eyebrows. I couldn't forget my eyebrows. The next thing is this supermodel body. I didn't believe this until I tried it. My mum kindly bought this for me at Christmas, and I tried it, and oh my god, it does make your legs look thinner. Weirdly so, but it does give them such a lovely shimmer. So when you're going out on the evening in a hot country, or just anywhere really, this is the most perfect thing for your legs and your arms. It makes them look toned, it just makes them look really nice, and it also really hydrates your body as well. So that is my go-to. So now for some accessories. Now there's only a couple because I don't really take many accessories, but these are the ones that instantly go in my bag. Now the first one, I think you've pretty much seen me wearing this on my channel, is this beautiful Hermes, or Hermes, however you say it, necklace. I got it for my 21st birthday. It's in gold, silver hardware, sorry, with this kind of like purpley blue bit in the middle. I love it, it's perfect. I've got the matching earrings. It's just a really pretty necklace that can instantly add to your outfit. And I've got another necklace here as well. This one was given to me from my grandma after she unfortunately passed away, and it still brings tears to my eyes. But this, again, it's just a lovely necklace, like statement necklace that you can add to any outfit. And I love it with a white basic tee. It looks really pretty. The next is a scrunchie. I know this sounds a bit strange, but I really like a scrunchie. I always grab like a colourful one, and this is my favourite one. I recently got this from Under the Stories, and it has these two ribbons, so you can tie your hair up into like a nice ponytail, and then you'll have these gorgeous ribbons looking like you've tied your hair, you know, in like a bow or something. Yeah, and I think, because I love the blue and white pinstripe, I think it'll just like add to an outfit, add a bit of colour. Say if you're just wearing a white denim skirt and a t-shirt, it just adds a little bit something to it. So that's my third accessory. So now for my last accessory. Obviously I won't just add 4 to my suitcase, but these are the essential ones that I add. Is this Hermes H buckle belt, and it's reversible, which is super practical because it's in tan and black, and those are like the standard like staple belts that you kind of need in your wardrobe. And it's got this beautiful silver, I'll show you because this is so pretty. The H is in like I'm not sure what effect it is, but it's beautiful. I really like it, and it's just so pretty. And obviously you can take this off and swap it for the tan. Because I wear a lot of silver, I think it's perfect. Ooh, sitting on Silver Body Glow. Because I wear a lot of silver, that's why I got it in a silver buckle. But I think, I'm not sure if you're allowed to buy the buckles separate, but I think I'd go back and hopefully get a gold one, because then you've got black and gold, silver and gold, and that would be perfect. So yeah, those are my accessories. So I completely forgot that handbags are classed as accessories. Well, I don't. I treat them as like their own little section. But anyway, I normally take a clutch and a big bag with me, and I think we've only got a 15kg allowance, so I want to do a bit of shopping there, so I want to have a bit of space to come back in. So I'm only going to take a clutch and a big bag. Normally I'd take a couple more, potentially my Louis Vuitton tote, never full. I love taking that because you can use it as a beach bag, but I have a lot of beach bags out there, like ones you know you get from, if you buy like a lot of makeup or something, they give you a free beach bag or something. So I have a lot of those out there, so I'm not too worried. So I've decided to go with my Prada backpack for travel, and I like to wear this around the town. I got this for Christmas one year and I haven't stopped using it. It's perfect. It's in this white leather and it's lined with like a brown toned leather, so I just think that looks really, really pretty. It's got all my stuff all in it already, but it is lined with suede. Don't know if you can see that. It's lined with like this creamy suede, and it has a few pockets, but it's a really big like area, and it just looks perfect, this white leather in summer, and I love it. So yeah, this is my essential travelling bag. And it fits so much, which is perfect. Perfect little backpack. Now I am taking the Bottega Veneta clutch with me. If you haven't already seen the unboxing or unveiling and you want to have a review of this Bottega Veneta Nonadi bag, I will leave a link up above. It's so pretty. It's in this neutral kind of light pinky rose colour, and yes, love it. I think it'll go with everything. Hello puppy! Come in! You can mix. Okay. Heyo, heyo. So we've got a bit of an intruder here. This is Pixie, if you don't know. I have Are you coming? Come on, darling. Hello. Oh, and this one's Crystal. These are my two girls. They're white miniature schnauzers, and I love them. You're intruding. Normally they stay downstairs for this. You're beautiful. You want me to help me with the rest of the video? So onto the shoes. Now, generally when I'm going on holiday to a hot country, I like to take a trainer, a flip-flop, a wedge and a sandal, or a heel of some sorts. Generally because I'm a shoe addict, I like to take quite a few pairs of shoes with me, just so I get, you know, a little selection. So my first pair are these flip-flops. Now these are the Havaiana flip-flops, and they're in silver, a dark silver colour, and I used to wear them so much. Well, I still do wear them so much, but now not so much because they've literally just given me a massive blister in between my big toe and my second toe. Weird, because I've worn these in. These were like my staples for summer, so I don't know what I'm going to do if they're going to rub me like that. So not sure. You're just gonna sleep there, aren't you? I'm not sure if I'm gonna take them, so that's annoying. My next shoe is my sandals. These are going to be their first trip out with me, and these are the Gucci leather sandals with a strap. I love them. I love the front of them with the gorgeous interlocking G. I love them, and they're just so pretty with this lovely little ankle strap and the chunky heel. It's just I could go on, but I will leave a link for a full review of them above. So my next ones are these are the most worn pair of shoes ever. These are my Supergas or Supercars, I don't know how you say it again, and they're in the white canvas. And you know what, these have lasted me so long. I had a pair when I was really young in in blue, and I got these in white. I've had them in like a beigey colour, but these are like, they remind me of, you know, Baby in Dirty Dancing. Oh, and when she's dancing on those stairs, these remind me of those shoes, and I just think they go with everything. They're a real summer shoe, and they're so comfortable as well. So yeah, I love these. These are definitely a staple of mine when I'm going on holiday. If I don't know what pair of trainers to take, it generally will be these ones. And for my wedge, I think you know which ones I'm going to choose. Is these castaners or castagna. I'm not really sure again how to say it, but I recently got them and I'm so happy. I love them so much. I'm going to take them on holiday with me and wear the life out of them. If you want to see a review and an unboxing, I will leave a link up above. Now for the clothing. These are the essential pieces of clothing that I just throw in. These are the ones that I go to on most holidays that are just staples and they just go with everything. So these are the basic pieces that I take on holiday with me. So to kick it off, is this gorgeous red swimsuit. It's like the Kellogg's lady, isn't it? That is this swimsuit. It's beautiful. When you're feeling confident though, that's the time to wear this swimsuit. I love this swimsuit so much. I think it looks amazing on. It's got a nice sculpt low back and it has this high side, so it does show off your figure. And it's just something that I love to wear. It's just a staple. I love that. Next, obviously, is a pair of denim shorts. These are some Moschino shorts, and I used to really be into, like, you know, the high-waisted shorts. Now I'm more into like a relaxed fit, slightly oversized. So these fit beautifully, and they're quite like a stretchy denim as well, which is really nice. And I like to wear these with, you know, the cami just tucked in the front, quite, you know, baggy, just because when you're hot, there's nothing more than something really tight and you're getting really sweaty. So that's why I like those. Next is my white denim skirt. I prefer this over a normal denim. I don't know why. I just think this is so pretty, and with that belt and like a white cami and the hair tie and the white speggers, you've got a really pretty outfit. And I like this because it's a plain white denim skirt that you can just instantly add to and make a really pretty outfit. I got this in a small, and it is a really nice fit. It's not too tight and it's not too big either, so it's just perfect. So that's definitely going in my bag. So I'm adding these in, but I'm thinking in my head I'm probably going to be wearing them on the plane. And these are this denim pair of jeans from Levi's, and these are the high-rise skinny ones. I love the details on these. I love the ripped effect on the knees. I'll show you on the knees. On the knees, it's quite a big one here, and then like this one here, which has a bit of denim underneath it as well. I love the colour of these jeans. They honestly are my favourite. They are so comfortable, they're not too tight, and they are the softest jeans. This is why I really love Levi's. They just create the most beautiful jeans, and these are honestly the ones that I wear throughout summer and spring, so these were a must for me. So for my next piece of clothing, it is this white t-shirt from French Connection. The only thing it has on it is live in the present and never look back on the crew neck. I just think a basic t-shirt, you know, you just have to have one in your bag. It just goes with anything. You can add it to literally anything, and they're so comfortable. The way this fits is not too tight as well. It's a nice loose t-shirt, so it is perfect for going on holiday. And again, by adding that with the pair of shorts, a statement necklace, you know, that scrunchie again, or a pair of sandals, it would just look, it looks great. And yeah, that's why I always have simple basics in my suitcase. Another little basic is this gorgeous white cami from Massimo Dutti. I don't think they have this in stock anymore, but I think they have similar ones. So I will link everything that I can find. If I haven't, if it's sold out or it's no longer available, I will try and find a very similar one for you. And this is the gorgeous white cami with button detail down the front from Massimo Dutti. I'm not sure if you can see that, so I'll just bring it slightly closer for you. It's so pretty and it just looks beautiful on, and the way of the V is like a really nice shape around your chest area. But yes, I like a white cami, as I said again, with the t-shirt. They just go with so many things and they look super pretty. Super pretty. My next thing is just a jacket. Now this is a really pretty coloured jacket. It is a leather jacket from Massimo Dutti and it is in this gorgeous blue, light baby blue colour. I love this just because when it gets a bit chilly or when travelling, I like to wear a little jacket, but it's just so pretty with a pair of jeans, or again that white denim skirt will just look really nice, even just draped over your shoulders. But I generally do like to take a nice little jacket with me. And this one is the perfect colour as well. The next thing I like to take is another little skirt, but I like to take a longer skirt, and recently I've been absolutely loving this one, and it is the leopard print and other stories midi skirt. I'm sure you will have seen this on my blog. If you haven't, I'll leave the blog down below. It's just the perfect length and it's super flowy, and I like flowy things when I'm going to a hot country. And yeah, again, with that white t-shirt would look great, and with the black Gucci sandals, it's just something that you can easily dress when you're on holiday and creates for a variety of outfits. So very pretty, adds a bit of colour as well. My final item, and these are beautiful. In Portugal it generally can get a bit cold on the evening, that's why I've added a jacket in, and I also wear these trousers a lot, and they're amazing, guys. I love these ones, and I'm so proud of my boyfriend because he picked them out for me. He said try them on, I did, and they fit like a dream. Now these are Massimo Dutti trousers. I don't think they have a specific name for them, and they are gorgeous. They are so long, and I'm only like 5'5", 5'6", I'm not sure. So I have to wear pretty high heels with them, not gonna lie, but look at them, they're gorgeous, and with these pocket details at the back, they look so pretty. I will insert a picture of me wearing them. They hug your waist, they really get into a nice comfortable waist, and they make you look so thin. And the flowiness of them, you can see they're quite big. They're just so pretty, and they have like this little belt at the top just to cinch you in that extra bit. But yes, these are definitely, they definitely go in, especially when it's a nice holiday like that. You can just, they're so flowy as well, so you don't feel like the heat that much, so you're just nice and comfortable, which is what I like to be when I'm on holiday. So this concludes my holiday essentials. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to ring my bell, please. It means the world to me. Let me know in the comments below what content you would like to see. I've got a few things coming up and I'm super excited to show you all of them. So please stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.